Hey guys, Melissa here, owner of ChaCha&Chicky Supplies Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make fun new slime recipes with your unicorn slime science kit. So first we're going to be starting out with the basic slime recipe, and then I'm going to be showing you how to make unicorn poop slime. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel here for more fun slime science videos every week. Make sure you get your entries in over at our website at ChaCha&Chicky.com for your chance to win your very own unicorn slime science kit. Thank you so much for supporting our small Canadian family-owned business, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Hey everybody, today I'm going to be making the basic slime recipe from our unicorn slime science kit by ChaCha&Chicky. Then I'm also going to be showing you how to make the unicorn poop recipe right after that. So to get started, you're going to need a large mixing bowl, 1 bottle of glue, your saline solution activator, baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon measuring spoon, and your stir stick. And then you're also going to need some hand cream from home. Now the kit does come with a mixing bowl, but I just like to use this larger mixing bowl to show you the steps. So first we're going to empty the glue bottle into our mixing bowl. So make sure you squeeze out all of the glue. And then we're going to take our empty glue bottle and fill it up with water just to the bottom of this fill line right here. Okay, so there we have it filled up with water. And then we're going to give the bottle a bit of a shake to get all the glue remnants out. And then we're going to dump the water into the glue and stir the water and the glue together. Now we're going to add 1 scoop of our baking soda and stir until the baking soda is dissolved. Alright, so now we're going to add our hand cream. Again, I like to use body butter from the Body Shop. I have the vanilla kind here, so I'm going to take 2 scoops of hand cream and add it right into the mixing bowl. Then I'm going to stir the hand cream in until it is completely mixed in. Okay, now we're going to take our saline solution activator and give it a bit of a shake and add 1/4 teaspoonful and put it right into the glue mixture and give it a stir. And right away you can see the slime start to pull off the sides of the bowl, just like that. And if there's a little bit of the hand cream still not mixed in, that's okay, because we're gonna go ahead and mix it with our hands right after this. We're gonna take it out of the bowl and start mixing it with our hands now. At this point, the slime might still seem a little bit sticky. That's okay, just keep on mixing. Alright guys, there you have it. There is our basic slime recipes. Now I'm going to break this slime into 3 parts and make the unicorn poop recipe that is also in the back of your book. So here's the basic slime recipe. And that is how most of the recipes start out, you guys, with the basic slime recipe. And then from there you can go ahead and make any other slime recipe that you would like. So I'm going to go ahead and do the unicorn poop slime. I'm going to go ahead and break our slime into 2 equal parts. Like this, and then we're gonna add some blue glitter flakes, and then on the other one we're gonna add some of these purple glitter flakes. And then we're just going to go ahead and mix this in with our hands. Here's the blue. Here's the pink. Our blue glitter flake. Now this is a unicorn poop, and we're going to go right ahead and store it in our unicorn slime container. And there you have it. Then you can take it out. And there you have it, guys. Basic slime recipe into the unicorn poop slime recipe. I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to like and subscribe to ChaCha and Chicky's YouTube for more fun slime recipes.